where morning mist on Suffolk lies and skylarks greet the day. A hall was dreamed on gentle ground where quiet spirits play. They shaped the stone with tender hands and laid it true and fair. Shrubland rose through autumn's haze to meet the open air. Shrubland rising soft and still upon the green and golden hill. Through wind and rain, through sunshine and all, the heart still beats in Shrubland Hall. The mason's song, the hammer's chime beneath the wide blue sky, echoed through the gnarly oaks where deer and shadows lie. From Gipping stream to garden wall, the passing sunlight gleam, and every step and every leaf recalls the founder's dream. Shrubland rising soft and still upon the green and golden hill. Through wind and rain, through sunshine and all, the heart still beats in Shrubland Hall. Oh, years may wane and hands grow cold, but stone remembers all it's told. From field to stair, from gate to wall, time hums its tune through Shrubland Hall. So let the ivy guard your name, let larks your story sing. The Suffolk breeze still carries you through every changing spring, and those who walk your garden paths may hear your spirit call, the echo of beginnings bright that live in Shrubland Hall. Shrubland rising still and small, a soul